Hey, what's up? So what we're going to do today is a DIY gallery art. So instead of spending hundreds of dollars on artwork in the store, why not make your own? So what we chose to do is just go to Michael's and find the 4 by I think it was a 4 by 3 piece of artwork here. Yeah, so now, don't let the price fool you. It's a buy one get one free. Michael's always has a lot of coupons, so I don't think we spent more than 150 bucks at most between all of our supplies. We had got two of these gallery prints. I mean canvas, and then we got some acrylic paint. And then say since the DIY project, you don't have to spend a ton of money on the most expensive acrylic paints. I think we had got the bulk one you see here. We had like three colors that we were going with, some glitter and such to throw in it, and we got some basic brushes, and we just made it a family thing. We just got in the garage, as you'll see in a minute, and then just spent a couple of hours just painting, which was really fun. Bonded with the family and kids and stuff, all got into it, and then we have something to hang in our dining room. So what you see here, I'm just showing you the different types of gallery prints that you can canvas that you can buy, but it really has to meet your needs and what room that you envision it for. So here we're just going to jump into it and just give you a quick time lapse on creating the artwork. So what we chose to do is geometric shapes. I chose specifically to do the cube, and you'll see here we start to, I think we outlined it first with pencil, which that's the line I'm following, and then I had my son jump in and help me with some other parts of the artwork. So hope you enjoy. So here I just wanted to show you a walkthrough of where the artwork is hanging, and again, It's a centerpiece, is something you can um, have a conversation behind. There's memories attached to it when it comes to family. And specifically, I just want to get close to, just to show you the texture. I think I put some glitter on there as well. Again, I like the way it came out. It sits strategically on a certain wall, and that was done purposely because I knew what part of the room was going to sit in. So I kind of wanted to make it so that the direction of light even is at play here. So as you can see, the windows are on the left side of the painting. So that means light is going from left to right. And so you can see here, I shadowed the cubes on the right side to be the darker side, knowing that light is going to come from that direction. That's just something subtle I was trying to achieve with this particular artwork. Because again, I knew where it was going to go. I was making it. It was DIY. So it gives you flexibility that you may not have to play with if you just go buy a piece of artwork from somewhere else. Unless you know an artist that you're supporting, that's something completely different. But in this case, it was something fun, something creative. I like, doing hands-on things. So I know also we had to do some, like I said, glitter in there. Son had helped paint in like the bottom areas. And then, it's just fun just to do. So it hangs in our dining room. It's a conversational piece. There's some memories attached to it. So I hope this inspires you to go out and do your own artwork, any part of your house, and make it a family day or family afternoon. So it's just fun. And again, you don't have to spend a ton of money. So go out, try it. You might like it. You'll save some money, like I said, and it's pretty fun. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Talk to you soon.